welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I had to record this intro and parts of the video all over again because I had my fan on and I didn't remember to turn it off, so it was just going and going and going throughout the video. Okay, so I know I've been gone for some weeks and it's because I'm like still recovering from COVID. That'll be in a separate video, like details on how that went. But today this video is about this unit right here. Like when I say I'm in love, I am in love. I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked everyone, like, do you guys want like a review on this? And everyone basically said yes, as expected, because I mean the blend, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, yes. So, excuse me. I'm here to shed light on this wig. Let me get my notebook. All right, so I purchased this wig from Hair Crown Beauty Supply. It cost, well, online right now it says it's $42.99, and it was originally $62.99. Why would I say that? Why would you say that? It's $62.99. It's called the Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig in the shade, girl, in the style SERAPHINE and color DR4 Golden Honey. I want to say 24 to 26 inches, and it has layers because I'm 5'3", and it's like right at, like, let's see, right where my, no, I don't know, where would I consider this? It's like at my hips. So at my hips. There we go. So I'm 5'3", it's at my hips, so it's probably around 23. It's probably around 26 inches. What is going on with me? Okay, so how does it feel? It feels pretty good. It definitely does tangle, so beware of that. Don't get it wet because it is synthetic. I mean, but look at this lace though. Like, let's get into this lace. You get a whole hairline. And if you know me, I have a big head and I have a lot of hair. And my hair grows like really close to my eyebrows. So that's why my baby hairs are so close now. But like, it covers everything. And then all I had to do was just add a little bit of concealer to the part to make it, you know, pop a little bit more. It does not require plucking. It does not require bleaching. You kind of just slap it on and go, to be honest. So all you have to do is take it out of the pack, you know, cut the lace and apply it. I'm planning to buy some more so that I can like actually do an install video instead of, you know, just telling you guys about it. But let me give you my review on how it was when it arrived. So in the pictures online, the curls are like really big barrel curls, like lots of body. But when I got mine, it was giving very much limp noodle, very much where's the body? It was really like limp. But, and then, you know, you can't curl it. But it's still really cute. You know, you got to play with it a bit. If you want it to seem bigger, let me tell you what to use. This is my best friend when it comes to this wig, the Gots to Be spray. Like, I just, you know, do this, spray it, hold it, and then it, you know, retains the body. Other things that I'd recommend having for this wig are these rods. I use these flexi rods on like the ends. I kind of twirl the hair a little bit, then wrap it around. It just helps to maintain the curl at the end. I also use this. This is very important, especially when you're like laying your baby hairs over and over again and just, you know, making sure everything is like in place. This is a, I guess, edge brush or a baby hair brush. I usually just use a toothbrush, but you know, I got the legit thing now. So this is what it looks like. You got the comb, and don't mind if it's gunky because it's being used. So yeah, it has a comb on one end and the brush on the other end, and then this pointy thing. I usually use this side, and it also helps to lay your edges better when it has excess product in there, like leftover product. The stiffer the better, to be honest. This hair does shed. I don't remember if I mentioned it earlier, but it sheds a bit because it tangles a lot. So let's put it that way. So this is what my brush looks like. My powder brush from the hairs. Like, I mean, so right now I'm not doing any activity and my hair is just a little tangled, but the brush passes through really easy. You know, there's not much like struggle. I also don't recommend like overdoing it with this hair, like brushing it too much or doing too much, because it is synthetic, and the more you do to it, I feel like it doesn't last as long. Oh, period. It doesn't last as long because, you know, like it tends to get like that plasticky feeling at the ends. Like it starts to get really like bushy, you know what I mean? I'm in love with this hair. This is my first time wearing blonde extensions or a blonde wig. I've bleached my hair before, my real hair, but never have I worn a wig, and I'm definitely gonna wear it again. The structure of the wig requires a wig cap. I did not put on a wig cap. All I did was I just I cornered my hair like to the best of my abilities and made sure my hair was flat, and then I just put the wig on. But I'd recommend doing the wig cap method because in the back it has like a wide mesh. It's widely meshed. So like if you have like, let's say plaits or something, they're gonna stick out. So if you want to avoid having that accident happen in public, I'd recommend a wig cap. Maybe like a nude colored wig cap and not like a black wig cap. Or maybe a black, I don't know. I'm not a hairstylist. But a wig cap would help. But I didn't put on a wig cap because I just wanted my hair done because I just felt happy about feeling better. So I just wanted to fix up and look cute. Let's see what else. Hey. Yeah. You guys, I can't really see because I don't have my glasses on. So I can't tell if I'm like super bright or not. But best believe this is blended. So whatever this camera's saying, that's it. Well, let me see. Hold on. Well, that's kind of better, but it's a little bright. It's a little dark. But yeah, this hair is super duper cute. I love it. I tried ordering another wig from the company online, but they processed my order and then they canceled it. So I don't really know how that's gonna go. This looks really dark. Hold on, let's just get me back. Okay. Yes, as I was saying, I ordered another wig from the company where I ordered this one from, but they haven't processed my, well, they did process my order, and then they emailed me and canceled it. So I don't really know why, but I have to I sent them an email to ask them what's up, because I want the wig, because I really want to try orange hair too. I really want to try orange hair. You guys, I just feel happy to be talking to you, to be honest. I want to keep doing hair reviews and stuff, but I gotta actually buy some new hair. So this is the first of many. And then I have a frontal and child. Oh, what else was I supposed to tell you guys? Let me check my notebook because I had some stuff written down. This wig is big head friendly. So if you're worried oh, it's not gonna fit, it'll fit because it comes with hooks and adjustable straps, and it's super stretchy. Very, very stretchy. I think this, if I were to wear this 2 weeks straight, would it last? I feel like it would last, but I would need to make sure like my edges are like always intact, because I noticed that I don't get my lace wet. And though I noticed that the lace, like, it lifts, like the edges will start to like peel back easily. I don't really know why, like, you're not getting wet. So I don't know why you would do that. That's my only, like, one of my only concerns. But other than that, like, you can just take a little bit of Got To Be or your lace adhesive and put it on there, and it gets the job done. I really like this wig. I love this wig, and I feel like it goes with any skin tone. I love it. Because if you know me, I'm like super duper chocolatey. Yes, Miss Mamas. So that is my review on this hair. I really, really, really like this wig. Scratch that. I love this wig. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. And the 0.5 being missing is because the curls aren't as big as the pictures online show them to be. That's my only thing. Everything else is perfect. The lace is bomb because, like, it's dark skin friendly. Like, it's bomb. I love this wig. I love this wig. So if you love this wig, or you've tried other wigs from this company, from Outre, comment down below. Let me know if you happen to purchase this wig. It's really hard to get. Like, it's very hard to get. If you're not getting, like, blonde, chances are you're not going to get the other shades, like the darker shades, the more natural shades. But I love this wig. I'm probably going to buy another one because it is super, super duper cute. I really love it. I love it on my skin tone. It gives me Barbie vibes. It is very cute. It was supposed to be my birthday wig, but I got sick, so I didn't even get to celebrate my birthday. Because I had this wig for months. I bought it a long time ago, and I said I was saving it for my birthday. Because when it first came out, the packaging, it was not, listen, sometimes you have to trust the process. Because when I first took it out the box, it did not look like much. It didn't. Like, honestly. I felt like, okay, what is this, honey? No. But, like, after actually putting it on properly and, like, laying my baby hairs, this is a really great wig. So, I hope this was informative. Let me know if you guys have any... it sheds, guys. It sheds. I'm not even doing nothing. But like all hair sheds, and I don't expect this not to shed because it is synthetic, but you know, it's always like, why are you shedding? But anyways, if you guys like this review, love this hair, enjoyed my energy and my personality, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then comment what you guys want to see. And follow me on my social media because I'm pretty active on there, especially on my story. So follow me at ShannonHeartsX on my Instagram. And you guys can follow me on TikTok too. It's the same. I post like mini vlogs, I guess, or like vacay things and inspo and all that stuff. And I also have a travel blog. So all my social media links will be down below. Also, it's a Buddha necklace and it's from my store, Shop Shannon's Closet JA. Shop now. I have it in different colors. I have it in dark green, light green, so like a jade, pink, this color, which is white, and I have it in a mini version too. Yeah, so definitely keep supporting me. Watch my videos, watch my vlogs. I interact with people who follow me, so like all you gotta do is DM me and I'm gonna respond. But don't be like a creeper though. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye, you guys. Period.